Hi guys! Do anyone of you out there bake with Pyrex dish, glass dish? I love baking with those dish. Well, this is a warning for you, okay? If you use those dish, you gotta be very careful because I don't know what's happening now. I've been using these dishes all the time. I bake with glass dish. I just love baking with them. So one day I was baking and it just exploded. I opened the oven and when I was closing it up, I just hear poof! It just exploded. And now it's coming around the holiday times and many of you will be baking. So I am not saying not to use them, but what I am simply saying is you just gotta be careful when you are baking with these Pyrex dish, these glass baking dish, because they explode. So that's just what I want to say. Happy baking! Yeah, guys, that's just what I wanted to say. I just wanted to give you guys a thumbs up about these dishes, these glass baking dish. I just don't know why mine broke. I don't know why. And I'm not saying it can't happen to you too. It could happen to you because I never did expect this. I never know that these things break like that. It just explode like that. I'm like, what? So, so be careful. And I don't know what to say because I don't know how it break. I don't know. I wish I know how it break, but I don't know. I just opened the oven and they just explode. So I can't say. I don't know. I really don't know to say, well, it's this, that's why. So if you guys are using this dish, just be careful. And you know the thing is too, mine was old because I have that for a while and I've been using it baking. Well, that's what I usually bake into anyway. And I had it for a while, so I don't know, maybe it was old and then it just break. But I am not gonna try it again. I am not gonna be using them for baking. I'm not gonna be using those glass dish for baking anymore. I will use them, but not for baking. Not for baking. So that's just what I wanted to say here.